Hello YouTubers, this is Johnny. Welcome back to my NetSec channel. Today we are going to talk about CyberArk Vault Server normal installation. This is the installation guide from CyberArk documentation website. For the installation files, you should go to the CyberArk Secure File Exchange to download the version you would like to do. For example, 11 or 10.10, you will find the PAS 3D image. For me, I'm doing v version 11.1. I already downloaded and copied to my computer here. The installation is very straightforward. Open the installation file folder. There's a server release version 11.1. There's a client release 11.1. And also there's disaster recovery release 11.1. Of course, we're gonna start from server. Double-click Setup. It will require Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.2 full version. Click Install. The installing file gonna extracting the .NET Framework 4.5.2 and install it into this server. Our system requires a reboot, so we're gonna click yes to reboot the system. System has been rebooted. The CyberArk Digital Vault installation file gonna start it by itself after reboot. Setup has detected that the vault is being installed over an RDP session. Continuing installation will allow future RDP access to the vault server machine that compromise the vault security level. It's fine. Of course, I want to continue because that's a lab environment. In your environment, you may not want to do this way, but for now, it's fine. Next. Yes. Company. User. So we will do standalone vault installation. It's on the default folder. We need a license file. I have already copied license file into C drivers download folder. Next. We need the operator CD pass. It's under the same folder. Next. We can skip the remote control agent configuration right now. It's not necessary. Install RabbitMQ enable internal communication between components, distribute the vault environment. We are not using distributed vault environment, so we can skip that. Go to next. CyberArk recommend hardening the operating system. Let's don't do hardening yet until we finish our installation. Program folder by default. Now we are installing the vault, digital vault. Now we need to set up a built-in user's password, especially the master password and the built-in administrator password. Next. System has been rebooted. We can see we got a new icon, private arc, and we also added our first vault, 51-sec vault. We log in with the password we entered during our installation. You can see system vault. You can see users. Those are built-in users and groups. That's pretty much everything for installation of Vault server. There's a hardening process to follow. That will be in different videos. The hardening steps will be here. You can use it to do the hardening. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe.